Welcome to Driveway Antics. Here today we are going to be showing the removal and installation on a grill on the Polo 9N 2002 to 2005. So to do this, there's two Torx 30 screws just here and here. You start with removing them. There's one. Put them in a safe place so you remember where they are. And you've got two little clips here which should just prise out like so. Then it should just pop off because there's four other clips just at the bottom here. That's the removal of the grill. There we go. And to do so, just do the reverse. Align the clips again. Make sure they're clicked in properly. Make sure you get these two clips in. Make sure the holes are aligned. Get your Torx 30 bolt. Like so. Last one. Sorted.